We are a diverse country. We have something like a Chennai, we have something like a Bangalore, we have a Hyderabad. Each of it brings its own challenge in terms of how they are catered to the environmental requirement, how sustainability is very easy to go ahead and tell that this is what we want to achieve. But then the real problem lies is how we understand it and how we implement it. Most of the time the buildings are designed. However, at an implementation stage, there is a gap between what was it designed and how was it going back and being implemented. And then always the problem lies with the operation team, because they are inheriting a building and then they have to go ahead and still operate it to the best of efficiency. As an Armstrong, we are very committed. We understand what the demography of the country is, and then we have solutions which are suitable for this. We understand the challenges of all industry in terms of implementing a sustainable solution. But Armstrong, we really understand what it is. If you've got a solution which actually, if you look at from a plant room, how do we ensure that we optimize a plant room and then ensure that it is running efficiently? As a hotel, like for example, or as an operations person, you're interested to know what the plant room efficiency is. We have a solution which is called as optimisation, which kind of helps you to understand your plant room and then delivers a performance which is actually true to what it was designed. Armstrong is a Canadian company. It's a 90-year-old company. We have been in this fluid heat transfer solutions. We have been in India for the last 20 plus years. We were one of the earliest ones where we started off making India concept. We have our factory at Penia, and then we have been there at the Bangalore facility. We have offices at Bangalore, we have offices at Mumbai, Delhi, and we have got presence across the India.